Hello guys, my name is Freda and I am a 100 level pharmacy student of the State University of Medical and Applied Sciences. I was also a student of the 2023 Exquisite UTME and Post-UTME classes, and I will be one of the speakers at the upcoming Exquisite Tutorials JAMB Orientation Seminar, where I will be giving major guidelines on how I prepared for my examination. Now let me speak briefly about how Exquisite helps me during my JAMB preparations. Not only were our classes based on what we were to expect, but also on how we were to expect our questions. Exquisite put me through intense study sessions. This seminar will be speaking of different things such as what holds students back, how to overcome those vices which hold students back during studying and during understanding. Exquisite is here for you. Join Exquisite today and be sure of a wonderful academic life. Join Exquisite today and trust me, you won't regret it.